my God! Good evening.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is a very warm welcome to all the screen-obsessed, binge-driven, plot twist-loving, remote-hogging, brilliant people. क्योंकि आ गया है इस शाम एक ऐसा अवार्ड शो जो मुमकिन है OTT shows and films obsessed audience की वजह से ही है.
क्या बात है Kubra, and the only award show जहां audience is more emotional about fictional characters than their own family members.
Tonight we celebrate the best of OTT, the actors, the creators, and of course the real hero. And hero है one.
Algorithm. क्या rhythm पकड़ी है algorithm ने? So यार algorithm ही decide करता है what we all will binge next. And OTT play का algorithm इतना तगड़ा है कि 34 plus OTTs में से ढूंढ कर आपके पसंद की movies और series आपको recommend करता है. So जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं OTT play के लिए और algorithm के लिए.
और जी हाँ लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, इन्हीं तालियों के साथ आपका स्वागत है इंडिया के ओनली पैन इंडिया OTT अवार्ड्स में, जहां पर लैंग्वेज का कोई बैरियर नहीं है अवार्ड्स जीतने में. इट्स अ ट्रू सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ द बेस्ट कंटेंट स्ट्रीमिंग ऑन इंडियन OTT प्लेटफॉर्म. So, ladies and gentlemen, to kickstart this epic evening, I would like to request you to welcome on stage with a huge round of applause, Avinash Mudaliar, CEO and co-founder, OTT Play, please.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the OTT Play Awards. Our streaming content in India has exploded. With so many platforms and ever more shows, choosing what to watch today is like picking between Pani Puri and pizza, or between Podichoru or Tahir Sadam. It's impossible, yet intensely personal. That's where OTT Play steps in, and it's your smart, no-nonsense content wingman. We simply simplify content discovery, cut through the clutter, make sure your weekend binge doesn't feel like a gamble. And today at OTT Play Awards, we celebrate the creators, the risk takers, the icons, and the fans who can finish a season faster than their food delivery.
Now I would like to invite our guest of honor, Mr. Arya Chaudhary, Chairman, Arya Group of Companies, to join Avinash on the stage.
Would now like to request Mr. Mudaliar to kindly felicitate our guest of honor.
Let's move on to the first segment of the awards tonight.
OTT Play Award 2025 in the series category is for the breakthrough performance female.
And to present this award, I would like to call on the stage actor Shekhar Suman sir.
For the breakthrough performance, and it goes to Patrulekha.
Whoa, whoa!
Congratulations!
I want to thank Anubhav sir. Thank you, Raj, for being the kindest and the loudest cheerleader.
Raj Baji, love you.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Beautiful to see you here. Congratulations, Baba. मजा आ गया.
अगर ये गले मिलना बंद कर दे अनुपम खेर, तो मैं सिर्फ इतना ही कहना चाहूंगा तुम्हारे परफॉर्मेंस के लिए. Here. Fantastic. You know, he's a great friend. We started our journey together from Utsav. He's one of the finest actors India has ever seen. I want you guys to show more love to him, more affection. ऐसा मैंने कहा कि प्यार और मोहब्बत और खुलूस और शाइस्तगी अनुपम खेर के लिए, he deserves that and a lot more.
I want to congratulate you. First of all, it's your moment, but life is about remembering moments. Film was Utsav, year was 1982, Bharatpur. There was a film being made, Utsav. Our friend Shekhar Suman was the lead actor opposite Rekha ji, and me, Satish Kaushik, were junior artists. And they were put in a better hotel, like what happens with smaller actors, and we were in a small. But he used to come every single day to our hotel to make us feel better. I will never forget this. But I want to test myself right now. I've done 543 films. I will try today to relive that scene the way B.V. Pradhan performed in Saransh. It was a scene I was not... You come here. You stand next to me. No, I meant to say that it's your moment. We've just hijacked that, but she's the best. Thank you. Thank you. So, how actors work on scene? I was not married. I was playing a 65-year-old man at the age of 28. And the scene was where my son's ashes have come. Now, how do I do that? Because I'm not married, I don't have a child. So I told Mahesh Bhatt Sahab, कि Bhatt Sahab, I will turn my back towards the camera. I will prepare myself for the shot. We'll try and do a one shot. And when I do this, you switch on the camera. So I turned around and I thought, I'm a gold medalist from National School of Drama. I am on the streets. I'm spending nights on railway platforms. This is the film that should work for me. If this film does not work, I will be going back to Shimla or Delhi or Lucknow. टीवी लेने नहीं आया हूं मैं, अपने मरे हुए बेटे की राख लेने आया हूं। एक बाप का अपने बेटे की राख पर कोई अधिकार है या नहीं? उसके लिए भी मुझे नीचे रिश्वत देनी पड़ेगी। आपके पास इतना वक्त होगा कि मुझे मेरे बेटे की अस्थियां दे दीजिए, प्लीज। थैंक यू। एक्टर जिंदा है।
Yeah! While you continue to applaud, it's an honor to now invite on stage Mr. R.V.R. Chaudhary, Chairman, R.V.R. Group of Companies, to kindly present our next award. Welcome back, sir.
All right, this is my favorite one, and she knows it because she's looking right into my eyes right now. So the best actor, female, goes to none other than Aditi Rao Hydari.
Heartiest congratulations to you, Aditi. Yay! Hi, how are you? Excuse me. Congratulations, Aditi. आपको देखकर ऐसे लग रहा है कि words like नफाजत, नजाकत और दिलकश निगाहें वाले डायलॉग
ऐसे बाहर आ रहे हैं।
I just want to say them.
इसलिए हम चाहते हैं कि जो आपने भी एक्सेप्टेंस स्पीच देनी है ना थी, वो ना बिल्कुल ऐसे थोड़ी टबोरी लैंग्वेज में हो जाए। हाँ हाँ,
मैं बोल रही लाइक कि
change
आज
बनता
मैं
है।
इतना खुश हो रही लाइक
इतनी जो एलिगेंस तुम हर कदम पे लेकर चलती हो ना, मैं साथ में लिख के लाया हूँ।
ओह, look at that, look at that, look at that.
अपन को एकदम रैप चिक मजा।
आइला था हीरा मंडी में। अच्छा, ओके ओके
Okay,
चलो,
okay,
let's go.
हाँ, हाँ.
यू से इट विद मी ना।
हाँ चलो, 3, 2, 1 गो। अपन को एकदम रैप चिक मजा आया था हीरा मंडी में। बोले तो एकदम झकास। रपचांड सीरीज थी, एकदम घसे, हाँ?
घिसेली मच्छी कितने लोग थे?
एक नंबर।
एक नंबर। बोलो पब्लिक।
क्या बोलती पब्लिक?
बोलो पब्लिक।
Can I
बोल दो एक
not
बार, बोल दो एक
talk
बार,
like
बोल दो, बोल
myself
दो।
or I'll run off?
No, you talk like yourself. This is a very, very important, a very, very noble award and a wonderful movement. You should please now accept this award.
Thank you. HDCT OTT Play Awards. This really means the world to me. I can't tell you how special that feels, and I always feel like a 5-year-old, excited to get back to set every day, and this is validation for that. So thank you so much. And thank you, Netflix.
Ladies and gentlemen, after that moment, the next OTT Play Award 2025, the Best Director,
And
Movies.
to give away this award, I would like to call upon the stage lyricist Irshad Kamil and Inderpreet Singh, Chief Business Officer, OTT Play.
The best director movie goes to Imtiaz Ali, Amar Singh Chankila.
क्या बात है?
Congratulations, sir. Thank you for making the film.
So let's award the Best Director series.
I'm excited for that. And ladies and gentlemen, to present this award, we have with us the inimitable music composer Anu Malik.
Best Director Series, one I know very well, Nikhil Advani, Freedom at Midnight, and Pradeep Mandali for Vikata Vakavi.
Oh my God.
Ladies and gentlemen, some stars shine bright, but a rising star, oh, now that's a whole different glow.
Absolutely. In the world of OTT, where talent speaks louder than fame, this star has made sure everyone's listening.
And just like how talent stands out, fashion does too. So thanks to Flipkart Spoil, where men and women find everything they need to stay ahead in the fashion game.
और अब अवार्ड उनको जो रही अपने गेम में सबसे आगे, presenting the Rising Star Award.
Ladies and gentlemen, to present this award, we'd like to welcome on stage actor Shalin Bhanoth, please.
So the award for the rising star goes to, oh wow, Avneet Kaur.
Congratulations!
The next honor is for the pioneering contributions to the new wave cinema.
Ladies and gentlemen, and to present this award, we'd like to welcome on stage actor Heli Shah.
Good evening, everyone. So, the pioneering contribution to new wave cinema goes to Ashwini Puneet Rajkumar.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next award category is for Best Actor in a Comedy Role Movie.
And to present this award, we would like to welcome on the stage actor Saurabh Sachdeva.
So, ladies and gentlemen, Best Actor in a Comedy Movie is
Priya Mani for
Bhamakalapam.
Bhamakalapam.
Wow, wow, wow,
Bhamakalapam, which is on AHA, Telugu.
This is the first time I'm getting a award like this, and that too for a comedy role, or a comedy film, I should say. But I'll keep it very, very short and sweet. I would just like to say thank you to the entire team of Bhamakalapam, who very innocently I thought was a web series. It turned out to be a fantastic web film, and everybody loved it. They gave all their love and affection to the film. Thank you OTT Play. Thank you HT City.
So Priya, क्योंकि अब आपने कॉमेडी कर दिया तो प्रिया मनी से प्रिया फनी.
No, I'm not as funny as you guys are. I try, but मैं आप जैसे इतनी funny.
Please ऐसे ये कैसे हो सकता है? आप senior हो.
You know, the other thing we noticed when you were walking up on stage was one person who was beaming with a smile, and that is Mr. Manoj Bajpayee. So today, will you guys tell us what really happened?
When?
In that Lonavla or wherever? Or
where
do you all go? What happened, Suchi?
Suchi और अरविंद के बीच में क्या हुआ हम जान लेते हैं ना?
Yeah, what happened, Suchi?
जब season 3 आएगा तब पता चलेगा.
अरे यार, for that we'll have to come back again next year to.
Please, थोड़ा और time wait कीजिए for season 3.
चलिए ठीक है Suchi, we'll wait for you.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं for one of the finest actors of our generation. Love it. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, our next award is for the best documentary series.
And ladies and gentlemen, to present this award, we would like to welcome on stage Director Ashwini Iyer Tiwari and Saurabh Bhowal, VP, Zoom Studios and Zoom TV.
The best documentary series goes to the Roshans, co-producers Rakesh Roshan, Rajesh Roshan, and director co-producer Sashi Ranjanji.
Thank you, Hindustan Times, for recognizing our journey and our contribution in this industry for the last 77 years. And I'm very happy the love which we have got from all of you all throughout the world for the Roshans. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
All right, and the next series award is for the Best Actor Male Critic Series.
Ladies and gentlemen, to present this award, we'd like to welcome on stage filmmaker Kunal Kohli and Dr. Prabhpreet R. Singh, director D. Paul's Travel and Tours Limited.
Best Actor Male Critic Series. Whatever he does, he always gets an award. Jaideep Alawat.
कोई आवत है, कोई जावत है, जो खड़ा रह गया वो जयदीप अहलावत है.
Avinash, and so many people. You know, the list is so long. Because of them, the job becomes too easy to be there and entertain you guys and feel blessed every single time whenever you are in front of camera. So thank you everyone for making my job easy. Thank you so much, OTT.
Wow!
The next award is Best Actor Female Critics Series.
Ladies and gentlemen, and to present this award, we would like to invite actor Jyotika.
Award for the Best Actor Female Critics Series goes to... आजा माला तेरा अवार्ड मैं उधर लेके आऊँ क्या?
Nivisha!
I love this.
My most favorite performer, Nimisha.
All right, time for a quick break.
But don't go anywhere. There are many more awards, surprises, and unforgettable moments still to come. We'll be right back.
This was the last project I shot before my diagnosis.
ये सिर्फ मेरी वजह से मिला है किसी को थैंक यू बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है
6 seconds later she left.
और हम वापस आ गए हैं ब्रेक खत्म लेकिन एनर्जी फुल ऑन लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन ये है रियल फ्रूट जूसेस एंड बेवरेजेस एंड कूल फैन को प्रेजेंट्स OTT Play Awards 2025
Powered by Stock Grow, telecast partner Zoom, special partners Flipkart Spoil, Deepalls, Amante, Prop Shop, Aussie Lamb, Krishi Fiber and U Digital. Okay, moving forward, our next award is for the promising actor female.
And ladies and gentlemen, to present this award, we'd like to welcome on stage actor Vineet Kumar Singh and Deepak Jain, CEO Amante.
And the promising actor female award goes to extremely beautiful Hina Khan.
Congratulations, Hina. Thank you for the inspiration that you so very wonderfully share with the rest of the world.
Thank you everybody. Thank you HT, thank you OTT Play Awards. See, I feel a woman goes through changes in every segment of her life, and that's how Lakshmi's journey has been in Grihalakshmi. And she has been so brave and taken some really brave decisions and somehow made me brave too. This was the last project I shot before my diagnosis, so this will always be special. And this is the first one for Grihalakshmi. Thank you everybody.
Congratulations, and we wish you nothing but more. The next award, ladies and gentlemen, is being presented to Best Actor in a Comedy Series.
And to present this award, I would like to call upon the stage Ellie Avram. Oh my God.
Okay, so Best Actor in a Comedy Series is the one and only Neeraj Madhav from Love Under Construction. Congratulations,
Neeraj. The next award is for OTT Play Breakthrough Performance Male Movie. And to present this award, we would like to call upon the stage actors Nandish Sandhu and Deepti Sadhwani, along with Sandeep Rao, Chief Strategy Officer, HT Group.
The Breakthrough Performance Male in Movie. And the winner is Avinash Tiwari for the Mehta Boys.
Go away! Back to back मेरे भाई अवार्ड जीतने आ रहे हैं.
ये सिर्फ मेरी वजह से मिला है किसी को थैंक यू बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है First of all, thank you HT City OTT Play Awards. It's one of those films that I'm really proud of. This is the first film that I felt I wanted to reach out to everyone to watch this film.
Now it's time for the series award for Breakthrough Performance Male Series. And the
winner
is, बताइए.
Breakthrough Performance Male Series goes to Abhishek Kumar.
Congratulations, Abhi.
Thank you so much, guys.
Congratulations, man.
Thank you so much. I think today's show peaked when Apar cracked the Priya funny joke. There's nothing beyond that. It's 6 seconds later she left. The show peaked there, and ma'am, Kubra, I'm a huge fan of Danish Seth.
God!
And I would like to say something in Tamil. You know, A.R. Rahman sir said, "Ella pugalum irevanike, ella pugalum parents ke." My dad is here and my mom is here. Thank you so much for supporting me. And thanks to OTT Play for giving me the stage to meet all my favorite stars up close. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank
Abhi
you
bro,
so much.
fab job, Abhi, fab job.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations one more
Thank you
time.
so much.
Thank you.
अपार फर्स्ट जो होते हैं ना वो बहुत ही ज्यादा स्पेशल होते हैं, जैसे कि पहला प्यार, पहली गाड़ी, पहला जॉब,
पहली को-होस्ट।
नहीं यार हम हैं यार, और पहली OTT सीरीज।
Absolutely. First are थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी भी होते हैं लेकिन यार फर्स्ट।
हाँ।
स्पेशल तो होते ही है, ट्रिकी भी होते हैं। या तो ऑडियंस प्यार से गले लगा लेती है, या फिर सोशल मीडिया पे ब्रूटल रिव्यूज लिख देती है, यार इससे अच्छा तो मैं ही कर लेता। कमाल है।
लेकिन उन्हीं के रियल टैलेंट से जनता इम्प्रेस हो जाती है। नथिंग आर्टिफिशियल एट ऑल, जस्ट लाइक रियल जूसेस व्हिच ब्रिंग्स यू नेचुरल फ्रूट गुडनेस इन एवरी सिप।
So it is now time for the Best OTT Debut Series Award, and to present this one, we would like to call upon the stage actor Naira Banerjee and Deepak Jain, CEO Amante.
So OTT Debut Series Award goes to Vedika.
Congratulations! And now, ladies and gentlemen, it is time to present the award to the Breakthrough Performance of the Year Female Movie.
And to give away the award, I would like to invite on the stage actors Ejaz Khan and Vardhan Puri.
The Breakthrough Performance Female for a movie goes to the very, very talented Shalini Pandey.
Whoa, whoa!
Shalini Pandey! Congratulations!
Brilliant actor who just lights up the screen.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is time for us to witness Versatile Performer of the Year Female. And to present this award, we would like to invite on stage actor Ejaz Khan and influencer Ronit.
Versatile Performer of the Year Female goes to Kani Kusruti.
It's an honor to get this award.
Love it, love it. इस वर्सटैलिटी के साथ साथ हमें एक अवार्ड भी देना है बहुत कमाल का, which is Versatile Performer of the Year Male. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our next presenters.
Himanshu Khanna, Chairman, Prop Shop, and Raghav Mishra, Joint MD, Prop Shop, please.
Versatile Performer of the Year Male goes to Siddhant Gupta.
Heartiest congratulations to you. इतना बोल लिया है अपार, एक ड्रिंक्स ब्रेक तो हम भी डिजर्व करते हैं ना?
Of course. बेबी के लिए जूस लाओ, कोई बेबी के लिए जूस लाओ। तब तक you stay tuned. Some of the biggest awards are yet to be announced. We'll be right back in a bit.
You had to choose people with different hairstyles to give me the award.
I would watch this Amitabh Bachchan film and I'd say, I want to belong to this.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is OTT Play Awards, not just another award show, but India's true pan-India OTT celebration.
Absolutely. यहाँ Bollywood, Tollywood, Collywood, सबको celebrate कर रहे हैं. I mean, the माहौल is so happy that it feels like Jollywood.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the award being presented to the best talk show host.
And to present this award, I would like to call upon the stage actor Arjun Bijlani.
Best talk show host. Any guesses? The Rana Daggubati Show. I think we have his beautiful wife.
Thank you OTT Play Awards for this honor. I'm sure if Rana was here, he would like to thank Padma and the entire team of Amazon, and also all our family and friends who came on the show and made it possible. Last but not the least, I'm sure he would really like to thank me, so I'm thanking myself on his behalf. Thank you very much for this.
And ladies and gentlemen, the next award is for the best reality show.
And ladies and gentlemen, to present this award, we'd like to welcome on stage actor Ritvik Dhanjani and influencer Kashish Kapoor.
Here we go. The best reality show goes to
The Fabulous Wives versus Bollywood Lives.
Whoa!
Maheep Kapoor, Bhavna Pandey, and Seema Sajde.
You know, there is this thing where
What?
we are constantly looking at people creating the path.
Yeah.
Because some just follow and there are others who truly create it.
And this one, like she's left a blazing trail behind. Let's celebrate the trailblazer of the year. Female for breaking barriers and redefining the game.
Ladies and gentlemen, to present this esteemed award, I would like to invite on stage Director Goldie Behel and Mary Overington, Trade and Investment Commissioner, Austrade.
And the Trailblazer of the Year award female goes to
our very dear friend Divya Datta for 2 movies, Bandish Bandits and Sharma Ji Ki Beti.
Heartiest congratulations to you! Thank you so much for you being you, Didi.
Very good evening, everyone, and thank you, OTT Play Awards 2025, for this very, very prestigious award. Very elated, to say the least. I think ever since I remember when I was 5, I would watch this Amitabh Bachchan film and I'd say, I want to belong to this world of movies. When I got into school and college, I think I started daydreaming and saying, I want to be launched by so-and-so and I want to get the Best Actor award. So, जब आप बहुत शिद्दत से कुछ चाहते हैं, तो universe conspires.
The award for the Critics' Choice Award. So let's honor the Best Actor Male Critics Movies. And to present this award, we would like to call upon the stage Mr. Kumar Turani, Chairman and MD of TIPS, and
Avinash Mudaliar, CEO and co-founder, OTT Play, please.
Best Actor, Male, Critics, Movie Vijay 69, and the signature, Anupam Ji, Anupam Kher.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Miss
Thank
Vijay
you so
ke
much.
baare
You had to choose people with different hairstyles to give me the award.
Wow!
But there are only, I just want to tell these gentlemen one small thing, that there are only 2 kinds of men in this world, baldies and future baldies. Kumarji, thank you, my friend. So, it's always wonderful to get awards, especially when you do work hard. Both the films, The Signature and Vijay 69, are 2 poles apart. I think I'm doing my best work in the last 5-6 years now. I thank Hindustan Times, OTT Awards.
The next award is being presented to Best Actor Female Critics Movies.
and requests Mr. Zafar Sawant, Chief Product Officer, OTT Play. The winner is
Best Actor Female Critics Movie Manoratha Gal Her. Z5 Malayalam Parvati Thiruvottu.
Paro! Came here, Paro!
Kubra,
Yes.
please announce the next award, because I believe only in positive affirmations and positivity, that's it. Nothing else.
Drama? What are you doing the drama for now? Ladies and gentlemen, let apart be. I'm going to announce this award. The next award is the OTT Play Awards 2025. And now it's time to present the award to Best Actor in a...
Negative role. And to give away this award, I would like to call upon the stage, ladies and gentlemen, SK Sergi. Aajao Vilash bhai. Ladies and gentlemen, Vilash Thaplal in the house.
Hello!
This award goes to Sunny Kaushal for Phir Aayi Haseen Dilruba.
Ladies and gentlemen, our next award is being presented to Best Supporting Actor Female. And to present this award, we have the absolute honor of inviting on stage actor Chandan Roy Sanyal and Deepak Jain, CMD Krishi Fiber, please.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So,
The best supporting actor female series is Namma Oru Ponnu, Jyotika.
Hi. நம்ம ஊரு பொண்ணு ஜோதிகா சொன்னா எல்லாரும் ஊரு பொண்ணு ஒண்ணுதான் அதுக்கு தான் this is like pan India awards. You are ours.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. आपको काम देखा डब्बा काटल में, वो डब्बा काटल नहीं अब्बा काटल होना चाहिए. बड़ा बाप ऑफ अ सीरीज यार. I told love it. वैसे नहीं अब्बा नहीं अम्मा ऑफ अ सीरीज है ना. Women power जिंदाबाद. But congratulations ma'am, totally well deserved.
Thank you. Just a very big thank you to Shabani Akhtar, who's sowed the seed of thought for this show. And I feel the whole energy, Shabana Azmi ma'am and my gal friends who are not listening to my speech right now.
Yes!
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
The whole energy worked towards Dabba Katal. I'm very thankful. And yeah, thank you so much for this. Thank you so much to OTT Play. It's just very overwhelming. Thank you.
Thank you and congratulations.
Our next award in series is the Best Supporting Actor Male.
And ladies and gentlemen, to present this award, we have the honor of inviting on stage actors Aditi Pohankar and Tanya Maniktala.
So the best supporting actor male goes to
Rahul Bhatt for Black Wall.
Oh my God!
Congratulations to you. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's keep the celebration going क्योंकि आगे आने वाले awards आ रहे हैं and they are nothing short of a blockbuster.
There are only 6 actresses in the world who have won Best Actress Award over 4 decades.
नहीं सर, आप सुनाइए सर, मैं नहीं सुना पाऊंगा.
Welcome back and let's restart the binge mode. This is Real Food Juices and Beverages and Cool Fan co-presents OTT Play Awards 2025.
Powered by Stock Grow, telecast partner Zoom, special partners Flipkart, Spoil, Deepalls, Amante, Prop Shop, Aussie Lamb, Krishi Fiber and U Digital.
Our next award is being presented to the most promising actor, male. And ladies and gentlemen, to present this award, could we please have on stage actor Nimrit Kaur Ahluwalia, please.
The promising actor male goes to our Bittu, our Binod, and of course now Apar Shakti Khurana for Berlin Z5.
Oh my God, brother! They hid this from us. Wow! My friend, my co-host.
So यार जब मैं I think चौथी पांचवी कक्षा में था तो मेरे पापा ने मुझे बोला कि यार जब भी कोई नाम पूछे तो कहना कि इस नाचीज को अपार शक्ति खुराना बेदिल कहते हैं. If Papa would have been alive, he would have loved to see this नाचीज. Thank you so much to the entire team of OTT Play Awards. I think आपने सभी लैंग्वेजेस को बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यार बांटा है. तमिल, कन्नड़, मलयालम, हिंदी और ये आधी फिल्म साइन लैंग्वेज में थी तो हमें भी प्यार दिखाने के लिए शुक्रिया.
Ladies and gentlemen, our next award is for the Trailblazer of the Year, Male.
And to present this award, we would like to call upon the stage actor Akshay Oberoi and Anil Kumar Yadrami, Operation Head, U Digital.
Hi, good evening, everyone. So the Trailblazer of the Year award male goes to
Sri Murali Bagira.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to honor Best Actor Female Popular Movie.
Popular यानी जिनको फैंस ने किया है पसंद, जिनमें होता है एक्टिंग और चार्म का करेक्ट बैलेंस.
And when it comes to correct balance, cool BLDC fans from the house of Kent Arrow combine cutting-edge technology with style.
And not just that, cool fans use BLDC tech to consume just 1/3 the power of regular fans. They're smart and energy efficient.
वाह, बिल्कुल तुम्हारी मेरी तरह.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to the award which is being presented to the Best Actor Female Popular Movie. And to present this award, we have the honor to invite on stage
Filmmaker Kunal Kohli and Anil Dua, Chief Revenue Officer, OTT Play.
You might know who the winner is, but I'm sure you don't know this fact. Okay, fun fact. There are only 6 actresses in the world who have won Best Actress Award over 4 decades. Okay, now hear this list and then you'll know how amazing she is. Helen Mirren, Katharine Hepburn, Ingrid Bergman, Meryl Streep, Nutan, and Kajol.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Ladies and gentlemen, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं.
Please give it up because there are no
Kajol wins this for Dopati.
Kajol in the house.
Okay.
I'd just like to say thank you so much to HD OTT Play Awards for having the wonderfully good taste and general higher than normal IQ to pick me for this particular award. I will say that standing on the stage today, it just brings it back to me that I have a lot to be grateful for. So thank you so much, everybody, for that, for bringing it home to me and for making a difference this week. Thank you so much.
Next award is for the Best Actor Male, Popular Movie.
And ladies and gentlemen, to present this award, we'd like to welcome on stage filmmaker Sanjay Gupta and Avinash Mudaliar, CEO and co-founder OTT Play.
Yeah, it's a confusing. Huh?
Please go for it.
I've never heard of this guy before.
Yeah, neither have I.
Huh? Have you?
But I think he's very popular.
You think so?
Yeah. Really big.
Manoj Bajpayee कौन है यार?
Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. For none other than Manoj Bajpayee.
Dada, congratulations.
अब वो ये रहा हथौड़ा.
लोग पाई के मोहताज होते हैं. OTT मनोज बाजपेयी का मोहताज है.
Oh no!
सबसे पहले तो मैं कहना चाहूँगा, आपने कहा था कि कॉमेडी की वजह से आपका घर बस गया. मैं कहना चाहूँगा जिसको कुछ नहीं आता था उसका घर बस गया. इस इंडस्ट्री में ऐसा होता है कि हम जैसे लोगों को जिसको कुछ नहीं आता है उसकी वजह से हम सबका घर बस जाता है. शुरुआत कहीं और से होती है और ख़त्म कहीं और पे होते हैं. काश संजय गुप्ता जो कि मेरा इतना पुराना दोस्त है, उन्होंने इतना बुरा इंट्रोडक्शन दिया मेरा.
मैं जानता ही नहीं इस बंदे को.
सर, एक पुराना दोस्त ही बुरा इंट्रोडक्शन दे सकता है.
मैं अभी सोच रहा था जैसे ही इन्होंने मेरा नाम बोला कि काश कुणाल कोहली यहाँ पे होते तो मेरा अच्छा इंट्रोडक्शन देते. बट
सर, एक क्वेश्चन पूछना था सर. आपके घर में, मतलब हम लोग ऐसे भी रियलिस्टिक की बात कर ही रहे थे, तो आपके घर में एक सेपरेट कमरा कुछ है सर ये अवार्ड्स रखने के लिए? और कितने अवार्ड्स हो गए होंगे? मतलब कितने होंगे? 200, 400, 500?
पता नहीं, मतलब बताओ, ये बताएंगे.
1000
कितने हो गए सर?
उनके घर में कोई जगह नहीं है. बाजू वाला घर लिया हुआ.
थैंक यू. ये बड़ा एम्बैरेसिंग क्वेश्चन है. बट
सर, आपकी जो अवार्ड्स होगी, जो अवार्ड्स की वॉल है, वहाँ पे हमेशा 2 अवार्ड कहते होंगे, चल हम 2 से 3 हो गए. हर महीने कहते होंगे हम 2 से 3 हो गए. हमारा को सर एक बार फिर से बहुत सारे ऐसे अवार्ड्स मिलते रहे आपको, ऐसी परफॉर्मेंस देते रहे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑलवेज एंटरटेनिंग.
थैंक यू सो मच. और लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, आई मस्ट टेल यू, इसने पहली फिल्म मेरे साथ की थी और मैंने वर्कशॉप किया था. इसको गाली देना मैंने सिखाया था. थैंक यू.
So good to see you, sir. नहीं सर, आप सुनाइए सर, मैं नहीं सुना पाऊंगा. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, sir. Could we have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? On that note, ladies and gentlemen, please let's bring in someone who swears by expert guidance for your money. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Ajay Lakhotia, founder and CEO of Stock Grow.
Ajay, I'm very curious to know that how does this funda, apply to investments? We all get so many advices from friends and family. Like, isn't that a good thing?
Let's think of it like this. When it comes to your wealth, you have doctors and you go to them for the smallest of disease that you would start facing. But when it comes to your wealth, you would start taking stock tips from people and put your hard-earned money at stake. Why would you do that? Right? And that's the reason we said you should talk to experts before you start investing in the stock market. That's the reason we created Stock Grow.
Oh, wow. And
fantastic.
thank you so much.
And we would request you to please stay back to present the next award. And I would also request actor Naira Banerjee to please come on the stage and join him in presenting the next award, which is for Best Non-Scripted Show.
Okay. The award for Best Non-Scripted Show, Shark Tank, goes to Bimal Unnikrishnan.
Yeah, that is the name of your award. It is Shark Tank. Congratulations, sir. When it comes to acting, some performances just don't entertain. They leave a lasting impression.
Absolutely. In the world of OTT, where stories are as diverse as the audience, this actor has won hearts with talent, charm, and sheer versatility. And the winner for this one is...
Guys, I think we should get you here and act on this. Come.
What are you saying?
Come on, come on.
Come, go.
आओ
Come.
आओ आओ ओके बिना अनाउंस किए ना मैं ले आता हूँ नहीं नहीं कमाल है आइए सर आपका अवार्ड है सर आइए आइए सर आइए आइए अच्छा अच्छा पहले सीट पे जाना था मेरा भाई
Bye, bye, bye.
Oh God!
my goodness, Raghav Jual.
एक बार जोरदार
Best
ताली हो जाए
actor, male popular goes
Best
to Raghav
actor.
Jual for 11-11.
Congratulations.
Raghav, we have been...
I thought आप दोनों एक दूसरे की पैर टच कर रहे थे or something, dude. I was like, what's going on?
थैंक यू OTT Play Awards 2025 कि आप लोगों ने मेरे क्राफ्ट की बारीकी समझी। हालांकि मैं जन्मसिद्ध एक्टर नहीं हूँ, मैं तुक्के वाला एक्टर हूँ। मैं बहुत साल एक्टर्स के पीछे नाचता था और वहाँ नाच नाच के कब मैं यहाँ आ गया मुझे भी नहीं पता। मैं जहाँ पर भी गया हूँ, जो भी कुछ किया है, ऑडियंस ने मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट किया है, हर जगह क्या बोलते हैं एक्सेप्ट किया है। यस, सो थैंक यू वेरी मच।
राघव ब्रो, इससे पहले कि तुम मंच छोड़ के जाओ, एक प्यार वाला मोहब्बत वाला स्टेप तो करके जाना पड़ेगा तुम्हें यार। क्या
Please यार, please.
ओके, आप एक बार वो माइक पकड़ लो। Ladies and gentlemen, जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं for Raghav Jual, and thank you so much presenters. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. यार जैसे अनु जी कहते हैं ना, अवार्ड मिलेगा उसको जिसने आग लगा दी, आग लगा दी, आग लगा दी, है ना?
Ladies and gentlemen, to present our next award, we'd like to welcome on stage director Abhinay Dio, please.
Good evening, everyone. All right, these are the people. I'm actually honored to present this award to people that I'm a big fan of. The team and the series. This is Panchayat TVF.
Oh my God!
Outstanding. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Team TVF.
Not only the viewership के numbers, the award के numbers भी.
मुबारक है.
अनुराग भाई,
Congratulations.
क्या बात है यार, क्या झंडे गाड़ दिए हैं. Congratulations.
इतना हंसाया है, इतना रुलाया है, इतनी अच्छी कहानियां कहते जा रहे हैं. Congratulations.
No, thank you so much. I think Apar and Kubra have been very lucky. Whenever they,
We've been hosting, you've been getting
whenever they are on stage, I get to be on stage once. But I would like to thank Hindustan Times OTT Play jury, viewers for giving us this trophy.
Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to thank our sponsors for making this night absolutely wonderful. This is Real Fruit Juices and Beverages and Cool Fan co-presents OTT Play Awards 2025.
Powered by Stock Grow TV and broadcast partner Zoom, exclusive styling partner Spoil, travel partner Deepalls.
Premium lingerie partner Amante, real estate partner Prop Shop, special partners Aussie Lamb and Krishi Fiber.
बस दोस्तों, आज की रात भी एक बिंज वर्दी एक्सपीरियंस रही. इमोशंस थे, लोगों की जीत थी, डांस था, एक परफेक्ट ओटीटी स्क्रिप्ट थी यार. थैंक यू.
और जैसे हर अच्छी सीरीज के एंड में लिखा होता है टू बी कंटिन्यूड, वैसे ही हम भी अगले साल फिर मिलेंगे टू सेलिब्रेट सम मोर स्टोरीज.
तब तक के लिए अपने फेवरेट शोज बिंज करते रहिए. और अगर कोई पूछे बेटा लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है, तो बस यही कहना, आई एम मूविंग ऑन टू माय नेक्स्ट एपिसोड.
गुड नाइट लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, मेरा नाम है कुबरा सेठ. आप हैं
अपार शक्ति खुराना. थैंक यू सो मच.
और आज की विनर भी है ना आप.
थैंक यू कुबरा. लेकिन तुमने जो दिल जीता है उसका क्या करें?
बाहर जाके शेयर करते हैं और देखना. Ladies and gentlemen, this is us saying goodbye. We request you to kindly remain safe and keep streaming.
I'm humbled, but I'm also happy, and I'm happy for all my fellow actors. I think it's a good time for at least Malayalam cinema and in India as well.
एक्टिंग itself is a very difficult craft. लोगों को बहुत आसान लगती है, लेकिन मुझे अभी भी बहुत डिफिकल्ट लगता है.
I can only thank Shabani Dandekar, Akhtar, and the writers Bhavna Kher and Vishnu Menon for this, because I think we're nothing without writers.
It feels surreal, and it's my first award for acting. So thank you so much OTT Play Awards for giving this to me.